I recently got my hands on the Amaran Go, thanks to Amaran recently sending it out to me. And for creators who shoot content with their mobile phones, it could be the accessory you want to pay attention to for a few reasons, which I'll cover in this video. The Amaran Go is a lightweight and compact MagSafe mini phone light with quick magnetic mounting. Not only can you use it with your phone though, you can also use it with the laptop because it also comes with a MagSafe adapter sticker. It comes in a range of colours, so white, green, blue, pink and charcoal like I've got here. And if you want to use it away from your phone or away from your laptop, then with a Bluetooth connection you'll get up to about 80 metres in distance. Before I get onto the main features of the light, it's worth mentioning that with the 800 mAh battery, you'll get up to about 1 hour and 20 minutes when using the light at 100% brightness. But if using the light at 10% brightness, you get up to about 8 hours and 50 minutes of runtime. And so when it's completely depleted, because it also supports fast charging, it'll go from 0% battery to 100% battery within about 70 minutes. The Amaran Go has a flip design, so you can use it as a two-way light for front and rear lighting. And it's a dual light source, which basically means that there's a main light and a mirror light. All you have to do is click the button to toggle between the two sources. But the nice thing about this as well is that you can also just use it as a mirror without having to use the light. In terms of the light modes, there are 10 presets ranging from 2700 Kelvin on the warm side up to 5600 Kelvin on the cool side. There are also 10 preset brightness levels, which can be adjusted to whatever you need. There are two ways that you can control the Amaran Go. The first is by using the actual controls on the light itself. So these two buttons dial in the intensity of the light, making it brighter or dimmer. These two buttons go between the colour temperature of the light, making it warmer or cooler depending on your scene. Right here you have the on and off switch. And then this button allows you to toggle the two light sources to switch between the main light and the mirror light. The second way to control the Amaran Go is to download the Amaran app. Once you've downloaded it, you'll be able to go in, find the light, and then you'll have controls such as the CCT with some quick buttons as well, the light intensity to dial it in precisely, and then there's also some lighting effects. There are also some light scenes, so you can basically choose the one that best fits your shooting environment if you don't want to adjust the CCT yourself manually. So I've dropped a link in the description for the Amaran Go so you can check it out, and if you're looking for a smartphone gimbal, mainly as well because you're a solo content creator, then I do suggest checking out this next video.